Hi everyone, I'm Jerry here with my son, and we were actually just sent this really cool card shuffler because it comes with a case, an extra deck of cards, the charging cable, and everything that you need to shuffle your cards and get your game on right out of the box. The case itself is a hard case with a nice handle and zipper that everything can fit down in. These cards that they provide are extremely slick. They are actually feel like they're a waterproof card. They're actually really slick, and they've got a nice picture on there. But I wanted to show you the real meat and potatoes of this thing here, which is the actual card shuffler itself. It is rechargeable, and it uses that USB, so that way you can get your cards charged. Go ahead and put your last one in there. And then we got two different modes here. You've got a push button mode and then a push and hold button. So go ahead and push it to start it. And that's going to shuffle those cards right through there, and it has this tray down here at the bottom that you can pull out. And this holds up to 4 decks of cards, and it does come with that tray. Now, if you didn't want to use the tray, this does have a couple other neat features that I haven't seen. One is a removable bottom tray. It does have padded feet on the bottom so that it doesn't slide around on you. But now, if you're using this with or without this tray, you actually can put these things in here, and when you're done, it'll just let you lift up. It says it'll let you just lift up this piece. So if you had 4 decks of cards that were going down here, you could just lift this off and you'd have them all right there and ready to go. You also have this top removable piece that allows you to change depending on the size of the card. So some of the card games that you use have a wider card. This will actually allow you to shuffle those wider cards, and when you're just using a standard deck, you can do that there and insert that, and that will bring it more to a standard playing card size. So you got a couple of different options with that, and when you're done, this just fits in here and can fold up so you're ready to go and take with you for your next card party.